Good morning, ma'am. I'm Jennifer V. Carlos, and I'm your student nurse for today, and we're going to transfer you from bed to wheelchair.
Swing their legs over the edge of the bed and help the patient to turn into their side. Put the belt to provide a firm hold. Move the patient to the edge of the bed and put their slippers on their feet. Assist the patient to walk. Put their feet at the footrests and lock the wheelchair. Position the wheelchair directly next to the bed. Lock the wheelchair brakes and move the footrests out of the way of the feet. Transfer belts should be placed securely. Move the patient at the bottom of the wheelchair and assist her to stand up and sit to the bed. Remove the belt and assist her to lie down. Raise the side rails and make sure the patient is comfortable.